Makers and those just starting out with electronics searching for a useful project to build this weekend may be interested in a new DIY automatic dice roller. Created by the Ruiz Brothers and published to the Adafruit Learning Resources, the dice roller has been designed to enable people who need accessibility tech to roll the dice. The automatic dice roller is equipped with an arcade button and motor which enable the dice to be rolled by the simple tap of a button, and is also equipped with a TRS Jack Connector. If you are interested in building your very own, jump over to the Adafruit online store to purchase everything you need, from the hobby motor to the mini LED arcade button, as well as the 5 V USB Verter board, all of which are available directly from Adafruit. Think of this project as an introduction to electronics and mechanical design. As an educator, this type of project could be useful to teach students how to approach problems and how they can solve them with design and engineering.